What up, good peoples? What's happening, man? Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy, man. On a Tuesday, coming back to you with some more of this crypto money, baby. Look here. Got something new for you, man. This thing is eBay on DeFi. That's the best way I can describe it. It ain't nothing like it on the market. I don't know how they came up with it, how they gonna pull it off, but it is very innovative. So let's get to it, man. DeFi bids, you see it. DeFi bids, just like the name say, auctions on DeFi. So right here, we offer packages that contain several types of ERC20 tokens. These auctions are always available for users to bid on. Meaning, like, let's say, I'm guessing you can be like, you can get like Trust Swap, some Compound, and some Ethereum in a bundle. And you got to bid on it against other bidders if you want that particular bundle. That's what it sounds like to me. And that's very interesting. I ain't never heard nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm interested to see, how they gonna pull off. I'm definitely gonna bid on some. You know what I'm saying? So that's very interesting, man. You can click to learn more. I don't think it's here yet, but you can click to learn more. And they got the staking. By staking bids on the site, you will earn rewards every time somebody creates a transaction with bids token. And they're gonna be creating transactions all the time if you got a bid with bids tokens, I'm guessing. So, I guess there's so many ways you can make money with it, because if bids gonna be on Uniswap, then you can buy the bids. And just hold them for the price appreciation, because I guess they gotta buy the bids to bid on the site. You see what I'm saying? Take Ethereum, buy the bids. So I don't know how. Hey, that's gonna be very interesting, man. But anyway, so I guess you'll be rewarded with bids when you stake the bids on the site, which is cool. But the most interesting thing that's going right now, before the site even start, the best thing in crypto, baby, the pre-sale. The pre-sale, the pre-sale, the pre-sale. And they pre-sale they ain't started yet. Now, let's see. Click to learn more. I always click to learn more. Alright, here we go. The pre-sale will be taking place on 8/31/20. That's August 31st, 2020, 2 a.m. UTC. Now you got to figure out what UTC is in your time zone. You know what I'm saying? I'm over here in Hawaii, so that's probably about 12. That's probably about noon for me. You know what I'm saying? I might be in Tahiti that day. It just depends. I might be in Belize. You just never know. You know what I'm saying? Like your boy got to do a little something strange for some change. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, man, look at them. But it says the tokens purchased via the pre-sale will provide a significant discount versus the Uniswap price. So I'm guessing the Uniswap price is going to be 10 cents, and I'm guessing the pre-sale probably going to be 2 cents, 3 cents. So I'm guessing that's a 3x off the bat if you can get in the pre-sale. It's going, but look at, you know how these pre-sale get on DeFi. You ain't why a 2-3 minutes tops, and it's out, it's over. But they're gonna do 3 rounds. Each round will last 24 hours. They never do. They'll last minutes. I'm trying to tell you right now, man. Especially since your boy putting it out there. You know it's gonna be over. You know what I'm saying? They need to go and throw your boy. I need to get in touch with them. Throw your boys on them things on them back in. You feel me? Anyway, the pre-sale gonna start at 8:31, man. 2 a.m. It's gonna be 3 rounds. 3 rounds. The first round, I wanted a hard cap though. Is that a hard cap or a soft cap? It don't say. But the first round gonna be a 500 ETH. I'm assuming a hard cap, so it's gonna be a 500 ETH hard cap. You know what I'm saying? One ETH is gonna get you 8,650 tokens. You know what I'm saying? Round two will be a 1,000 hard cap. One ETH gonna get you 7,150 tokens. Round three will be September the 2nd. It's gonna get you 1,500. 15. No, it's gonna get you that's 1,500 ETH hard cap. One ETH gonna get you 6,150 tokens. So that's still pretty good, you know what I'm saying? But round one where you want to be, that's where you'll get the most bang for your buck, man. You know what I'm saying? So get in here. It's defibids.com. Defibids.com. You come in here, and then you can go. Let me see. What is it? Pre-sale form, pre-sale address. Okay, I need to do that right here. What is it? I need to do this. I ain't see that. So I guess you come in, you can figure this out. I guess it's sort of a little whitelist. I guess it's their whitelist right here. Pre-sale address, telegram, email. Take that. Oh, I guess that's after you send it. So when they post the address, that's cool. And then you can join the Telegram right here, man. That's what I always join the Telegram, man. See what's going on. Tell them your boy sent you. When you get over there, let them know. You know what I'm saying? Tell them your boy sent you. When you get in the Telegram, holler at them. You know what I'm saying? They know how I do. But anyway, that's it, man. You can come on here and check out the tabs. I got the auction tab, the staking tab, the referrals tab, the tokenomics. I always check out the tokenomics, man. See, there you go. For y'all here for the tech, y'all tech people. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tech boys. Come check out the tokenomics. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. Look at this. Look, check this out. The team lock is 1 year. That means they tokens are locked for 1 year. The advisors, they tokens are locked for 6 months. You know what I'm saying? The foundation, whoever that is, they tokens are locked for a year. Marketing. I mean, you got to pay for marketing, so there's going to be a little drip every month to pay for marketing. You know what I'm saying? He's going to holler at your boy for some of that marketing. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, man, okay, it is a hard cap. You got a hard cap right here. All of it equals up to the hard cap. That's gonna be it. They only give 3,000 ETH worth of hard cap. That's let's see, pre-staking reward, unlock and proportion to use. Okay, yeah, you get some kind of pre-staking reward. So the earlier the better, man. The earlier the better. You already see it. Come and look for yourself, man. Check it out. They got all this stuff, all the information you want. They got it right here and in the Telegram. So check it out, man. That's eBay on DeFi called DeFiBiz.com. Check it out. I will be there August 31st, 12 noon Hawaii time. Drinking on something out of a pineapple. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, and do what? Holler back at your boy, man.